Ready to go. The next 30 seconds. High stepping. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. High stepping. Breathe naturally. Half the time. Take a rest. The next 10 leg raises. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 leg raises. Keep your legs as straight as possible. Take a rest. The next 20 seconds. Flutter kicks. 3, 2, 1. Start. 20 seconds. Flutter kicks. Keep your legs as straight as you can. Take a rest. The next 16 heel touch. 8 each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 16 heel touch. 8 each side. Engage your core. Take a rest. The next 10 bicycle crunches. 5 each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 bicycle crunches. 5 each side. Keep your neck relaxed. Take a rest. The next 10 seated in and outs. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 seated in and outs. Please keep your core tight. Take a rest. The next 10 windshield wipers. 5 each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 windshield wipers. 5 each side. Keep your opposite arm on the floor when twisting. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. High stepping. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. High stepping. Don't bend your back. Half the time. Take a rest. The next 10 leg raises. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10 leg raises. Keep your legs as straight as possible. Take a rest. The next 20 seconds, flutter kicks. 3, 2, 1. Start. 20 seconds, flutter kicks. Tighten your core. Take a rest. The next 16. Heel touch. 8. Each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 16. Heel touch. 8. Each side. Engage your core. Take a rest. The next 10. Bicycle crunches. 5. Each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10. Bicycle crunches. 5. Each side. You should feel your abs burning. Take a rest. The next 10. Seated in and outs. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10. Seated in and outs. Squeeze your abs with each crunch. Take a rest. The next 10. Spider-Man plank. 5. Each side. 3, 2, 1. Start. 10. Spider-Man plank. 5. Each side. Tighten your abdominals. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Cobra stretch. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Cobra stretch. Breathe slowly while holding yourself up. Half the time. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Child's pose. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Child's pose. Breathe regularly. Half the time. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch left. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch left. Breathe regularly. Half the time. Take a rest. The next 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch right. 3, 2, 1. Start. 30 seconds. Lying twist stretch right. Breathe regularly. Half the time.